Good morning, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Wednesday, January 27, 2021. The markets are opening up crazy in the red, but that is not even the big news. The big news is the GameStop play. And if you see this, AMC moved and it hit over $20 this morning. There's a lot of these short squeeze plays right now that are moving up while the market is moving down. That is really the big news for today. This is GameStop right now. If you look at the 5-day chart, this is insane. Reddit winners have won, hedge funds are losing. For all the small retail investors, if you're playing this, you may want to take some profits off the table. It is you probably make money if you bought a long call, but you need to be careful because as fast as this goes up, this thing should it be worth $21 billion? I don't think so. AMC had a big move also, same thing. It went from $1 billion market cap to nearly four. It's another highly shorted stock. Okay, Rocket is moving up still. I have a cash secure put. I'm just going to move it a little bit closer. So let's put those in. The market is so crazy right now. Dow is down 5 days in a row. It's almost impossible to put in an order. So let's try it. On my next trade, I would like to see if I want to close my Airbnb out. The reason is I only opened it a few days ago, and I think I made enough money in a few days, so I may just put in this trade real quick. If it doesn't go through, that's okay. I'll leave that there. I put it on the high side, and then I'm gonna do my next one. Same here. I did a video on that day. I think I did a video on my lemonade trade. You can see I can get it for here. I did it for $600. I made money. No point in trying to extract every last penny from these things. Sometimes I can take my profit, run, and then do another trade again. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to close this one out, and I'll record whatever I can. Sometimes I just have to lower the price to the midpoint, and then it will sell. And let's see what happened so far. Nothing yet. Okay, Airbnb just went across, so I closed that out, made my money. You see, I got over $16 between the spread. Okay, and then my lemonade just went across, and let me see what's next. Okay, so for the most part, I think I'm done with my trades. You can see AMC up 220% still. GameStop is still up 120%. I was tracking Viacom, followed. Obviously, these are here. I did a trade on Airbnb, and I did a trade. Those I closed out. I took my profit, and it's not that I don't believe in it, but what happened is I played the swings, and at some point, all these are going up on a very red day. So what that tells me is at some point I'll look for another re-entry point if I want to. Apple's earnings is coming out. I know Visa's coming out. So there's some interesting ways to play the market coming soon. But Visa took a big hit today. Rocket, there was some rumors that Rocket was also being squeezed out. I don't really care because I'm doing a cash secure put. So I don't own shares of it, but I'm collecting more premium, and I did roll those. So now on to my transaction log. I'm going to go into here, copy it out, open up my little spreadsheet where I track all my trades, pop that in here, grab more. And I'm not copying any trades that I did today, so I didn't want the 26. So I copy these out. 26 is over here. And I don't care about interest. I don't care about those. Paste those transactions in. Okay, I did that. So let me do my fixing of the data. So I'm going to do some quick massaging of the data real quick. Okay, I fixed them all. I marked them and I put the numbers in. Some of them were listed twice, but that's because I had two different strike prices. But I count them as one trade for some of them. what I noticed was my earnings play were generally not making me any money. I thought I was going to exit them out a little bit quicker and take my, 10, 20, 30% profit in a day or two. But that really hasn't happened. But I'm learning, right? And so I made a mistake. But the ones that are making money are my S&P 500. Those iron condors are still doing well, even with the market drop. I don't think that should be fine. It should be safe. With that being said, let me go up here. Let me do some pivoting of the data. And again, the trade that I did today will not be reflected on here because I don't paste it in until tomorrow. So here's my new data for yesterday. And let's go to here. Let's hit the pivot, hit refresh. Now the numbers are skewed because I was playing Microsoft yesterday. And I know that I didn't trade it right. Microsoft not only did it beat, but Microsoft looked like it's going to trend upwards. So we have to see how that plays out. So I updated it for what it is as of yesterday. Remember, the way I track all my history is as of yesterday. And then I wait for everything that happens for today. And then I'll paste it in here. Now, tomorrow, when the data goes in for the 27, what you will see is the reverse of this. Because when I use a debit spread to open a position, it costs me cash. So I made profit on both of those positions. I did a Lemonade and an Airbnb. So what you will see is $2,000, but on the plus side, plus whatever profit I made. And I don't remember what it is. I may have made over $1,000 profit on that. And the key for those are, while the shares ran up 10, 15, or 20%, and what I mean by that is if you look over here, you see how it went up $5. This one went up 15 or $11 and 11% in one day. So you got to look at the percent change. When you're playing options, 11% move, depending on how you structure it, I may have made 30, 40, or 50, or 60%, right? Depending on how you structure it. Mine were a little bit longer dated. I did a spread. So I'm not going to make the most money for the move, but I made money, and remember, that's what I'm trying to do. Be careful. Don't trade GameStop or anything else that you see on Reddit. Understand the risk before you do anything. It looks like it's easy money until the day you lose money. That brings this episode to an end. Thank you, and please subscribe, like, comment below. Let me know what stocks you're trading, how you did today. If you're trading any of these Wall Street bets type stocks and the short squeeze, like AMC or Bed Bath and Beyond or anything else, let me know how's your day doing. Don't forget to help share this video with your friends who may need it. And again, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day.